Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome to my YouTube channel NFT Gems. If you are new to my channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest earning videos. So guys, let's start our today's video without delay. Today I'm going to show you a very good platform, which platform you can earn his income, and to the site link in my video description. You can click there, open the browser. It will bring into this interface. As you can see, the site name is Searcher, and I will show you how to create account in this platform. So without skip, watch my full video. So first of all, you need to register account in this platform. So simply input your email address, put your password. After you complete all details, simply click the sign up button and your account ready for sign up. And if you are interested for make account by phone number, simply click the register by phone number and choose which country you are from. After choosing that, simply put your number and put your password and complete all details. Click the sign up button. Your account ready for signing. My account already ready. So I put my details and click the sign in button. After I click the sign in button, I can see I click my sign in button, and you can see the site all details available in here. So simply read the all details, and you can see the minimum investment are 10 USDT and minimum withdrawal 2 USDT. If you deposit 10 USDT, you can earn regular 2 USDT easily. If you deposit 18 USDT, you can earn regular 17 USDT easily. After you did all details, simply click the I know button, click the cancel option. You can see the me section, click the me section, and I will show you how to recharge in this platform. Simply click the recharge option, and you can see there are 4 methods available for recharge: TRC20, TRX, Web20 USDT, and BNB. I will choose TRC20 USDT and copy the address, go to the your trust wallet and paste the address, put the amount, how much your amount interest for deposit. After you complete all details, simply click the withdraw button. When you withdraw successfully, then come here and click the recharge completed button. After you click the recharge completed button, you can simply click the back icon, again back icon, and reload the page, and you can see more recharges are already done. You can see my BAP one already active, and I will show you how to complete your tax and withdraw. Simply click the tax option. You can see they're available on tax, so simply click the to complete option. You can see the site is loading. After loading, you tax full done. You can see my tax is successfully done. Click the completed option. You can see my tax is already completed. So click the me section. You can see my balance is already added. So I will show you how to withdraw your money. So simply go to your wallet. I go my wallet and select your currency. I choose USDT and TRC20 select and copy the address. Come to the site and click the withdraw option. Put your amount, how much amount you are interested for withdraw, and paste the address which address you are copy, and put your withdrawal password. After you complete all details, simply click the confirm button. I click the confirm button. You can see my withdrawal successfully done, and click the back icon, and I'll show you I receive my withdrawal under 1 minute. So I go to my wallet. After I go my wallet, I will show you I receive my withdraw under 1 minute. You can see I log in my wallet and I will show you I received or not. You can see I withdraw my balance under 1 minute. So fast to withdraw. And after I back my site, and I will show you about this site and about this all details. So simply click the home button, and you can see the site interface, and you can see there have a BAP option. Click the BAP option. You can see the BAP. There are many kind of BAP available: BAP 1, BAP 2, BAP 3, and almost there BAP 9 have. And you can see there have a team option. Click the team option. You can see there are 3 levels available for team commission: level 1, 12%; level 2, 2%; level 3, 1%. If you refer anyone, you can earn more income by the referral. So you can see there have a referral link. Simply copy the link and share the social media. After you share the social media, you can earn a lot of money from there. And if you see, there are many kind of languages available: English, France, Portugal, Arabic, and Bangla, Hindi, many kind of languages available. And if you face any problem, you can simply contact the customer service. You can see there have a contact customer service icon. Click the icon. You can see the service available, and you can see there have official channel link. Click the channel link and join their channel. And if you face any problem, contact the customer service and solve your problem. And guys, I did not force any on deposit here. This is your own choice, your own risk. Until video, see you next another earning video, guys. Take care.